Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about what do all acids and all bases have in common. Acids and bases की properties common क्या होती है ये हमें today's learn करना है. Now before discussing more, there is a one activity given here. See, there is a beaker. Take a beaker. Take rubber cork. Take two iron nail and connect that iron nail into the 6-volt battery and also connect here a bulb. Now first take a solutions. We have to take some solutions: glucose solution, alcohol solution, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Okay, now fix two nails to the cork. रबर cork पे हमें दो nail fix करने हैं and place the cork in the 100 ml beaker. Okay, now connect 6-volt battery. Connect 6-volt battery. Now pour HCl into the beaker. Beaker में क्या pour करना है हमें? HCl. Now what do you observe here? What do you observe here? See here, the bulb will start glowing in the case of acid. Okay, when we add acid HCl, then bulb will start. Okay, but what you will observe that glucose and alcohol solution do not conduct electricity. See, first of all, this is a beaker. When we add HCl, then this is dissociate into H plus and Cl negative. Okay, then if there is a H plus ion, then it is responsible for conduction of electricity. If there is a OH negative ion, there is a electricity is not conducted. Okay, now see here, glowing of the bulb indicate that there is a flow of electric current through the solution. When we add HCl into the solution, it dissociates into H plus and OHCl minus ion. Then the bulb is glowing. That is, there is a conduction of electricity. Okay, and electric current is carried out through the acids and solution by the ions. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैसे कैरिड होता है? आयन से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू. हाँ, हियर आर बेसिक एसिड्स एंड सम बेसिक बेसिस. सो कॉमन एसिड्स एंड कॉमन बेसिस. लिस्ट ऑफ कॉमन एसिड्स एंड कॉमन बेसिस. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4, नाइट्रिक एसिड्स HNO3, ऑक्सैलिक एसिड H2C2O4, सल्फरस acid H2SO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, acetic acid CH3COOH, carbonic acid H2CO3. Now here are some bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, ammonium hydroxide and ammonia. Here are the bases. Some common acids and bases. There is a list of common acids and bases. Okay, now here acids contain H plus ion as a cation. Acids contain H plus ion as a cation and anion like Cl negative. When the acid, that is HCl, is dissociate, it give H plus ion and Cl minus. So here H plus ion is a cation and Cl minus ion is a anion. So see here, acid when dissociate into the liquid in aqueous solution, when acids dissociate in aqueous solution, then it gives the hydrogen ion. It gives the hydrogen ion and it is responsible for the conduction of electricity. It is responsible for conduction of electricity. Okay. Now see here, the activity we have taken like this, it is the same. There are 3 beakers, different beakers. Okay. There are iron nails also, rubber cock also, and this is connected into 6-volt battery, and this is a bulb. Okay. We take a 3 of this. In first beaker we have to add hydrochloric acid, in second beaker glucose solution, and third beaker alcohol solution. Only which bulb is glow? Only the beaker having hydrochloric acid, this big bulb is only glow. Okay. And the beaker having glucose solution, alcohol solution, the bulb of that beaker are not glow. Why this is not glow? Because here there is a generation of the H plus ion. In this beaker there is a H plus ion because HCl dissociate and it gives H plus and Cl minus ion. So here is a H plus ion. So H plus ion is responsible for the generation of electricity, conduction of electricity. Okay. Now here acid contain H plus ion as a cation and anion as a Cl minus ion. Means first of all, what is cation and anion? Cation means any atom or molecule that show the positive charge. Here in case of HCl, H plus and Cl minus. Here is a anion, here is a cation and here is a anion. Any atom or molecule shows a positive charge, that is it is a cation, and any atom or molecule shows a negative charge, it is a anion. Okay. So here are some examples are given. NO3 in HNO3. HNO3 means nitric acid. When HNO3 dissociates, it gives NO3 as a anion. In case of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, when it is dissociated, it gives SO4 sulfate ion, that is it is a anion. Here it is a acetic acid, when it is dissociated, it gives the, here is acetic acid, when it dissociates, it gives this is a anion. So like this, when the acid is dissociated into the aqueous solution, then it gives the H plus ion, and so that there is a generation of electricity. Okay. And in case of bases like alcohol and glucose, the electricity is not generated, that is there is a no any conduction of electricity. Now here we have to stop here. In next class we will discussing what happens to an acids or base in water solution. When water solution में acid और base dissociate होते हैं, then what happen? So up to this we have to stop here.